Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these four empty boxes such that if we subtract these two horizontal boxes, we are supposed to get 31. And if we multiply these two bottom boxes, we are supposed to get 69. And likewise, if we add these two vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 37. And finally, if we multiply these two vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 111. And now our task is to fill out these boxes with appropriate values. And please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We are going to label these empty boxes. I'm going to label this box as lowercase a, this box lowercase b, this box lowercase c, and finally this box lowercase d. And now our task is to find the value of lowercase a, the value of lowercase b, the value of lowercase c, and finally the value of lowercase d. And here's our very first. I'm going to add these two vertical boxes, a plus c. That's supposed to be equal to 37. So therefore I can write a plus c must be equal to 37. And likewise, we are going to subtract these two horizontal boxes. A minus b is supposed to be equal to 31. So therefore we can write a minus b equals to 31. And likewise, I'm going to multiply these two vertical boxes. B times d is supposed to be equal to 111. So therefore I can write over here b times d equals to 111. And finally we are going to multiply these horizontal boxes. C times d is supposed to be equal to 69. So therefore we can write c times d equals to 69. And now we are going to focus on these first two equations. And I'm going to subtract this second equation from this first. Let's go ahead and subtract. So I'm going to change this sign from positive to negative. This negative become positive, and likewise this become negative. And here we can see this positive a and negative a, they are gone. So we are ended up with b plus c must be equal to 37 minus 31 is going to give us 6. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And now we are going to focus on this next equation. B times d equals to 111. And I'm going to divide both sides by d to isolate b. And here we can see d and d is gone. So therefore our b value is going to be equal to 111 divided by d. And finally let's focus on this final equation. C times d equals to 69. And likewise I'm going to divide both sides by lowercase d to isolate c. And here we can see d and d is gone. So therefore c value is going to be equal to 69 divided by lowercase d. And here's our next step. We are going to substitute this b equals to 111 divided by d value over here in this equation 1 over here. So this b, we are going to replace that one with 111 divided by d. And likewise I'm going to replace that c with this value 69 divided by d. So I'm going to write down 69 divided by d over here. So therefore I can write 111 divided by d plus 69 divided by d equals to 6. And this left hand side could be written as 111 plus 69 all over d equal to 6. So therefore we are ended up with 180 divided by d equal to 6. Now I'm going to tweak the right hand side by just putting 1 underneath. And now we are going to cross multiply. So therefore we are ended up with the 6 times d equals to 180. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 6 to isolate d. This 6 and 6 is gone. So therefore our lowercase d value simply turns out to be 30. So thus our lowercase d value turns out to be 30. And now I'm going to substitute this lowercase d value 30 over here to solve for lowercase b. So therefore let's go ahead and put down b equals to 111, and I'm going to replace d with 30 over here. And if we simplify, our lowercase b value is going to be equal to 3.7. And now we are going to substitute this d equals to 30 value in this equation to solve for lowercase c. So therefore lowercase c is going to be equal to 69 divided by 30. So therefore our lowercase c value simply turns out to be 2.3. And so far we have figured out our d equals to 30 value, b equals to 3.7, and c equals to 2.3. And finally I'm going to solve for this lowercase a value as well by substituting lowercase b value as 3.7 over here. So therefore I can write a minus, let's replace b with 3.7 value equals to 31. And now I'm going to add 3.7 value on both sides to isolate a. And here we can see this negative and positive, this value is gone. So therefore our lowercase a value simply turns out to be 34.7. So thus our lowercase a value simply turns out to be 34.7. Lowercase b value is 3.7. And now lowercase c value is 2.3. And finally our d value is 30. And we can see all these values are satisfied. 34.7 minus 3.7 indeed equals to 31. 34.7 plus 2.3 is indeed 37. 3.7 times 30 is indeed equal to 111. And finally 2.3 times 30 is going to give us 69, of course. So thus here are our final values for lowercase a, lowercase b, lowercase c, and lowercase d. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.